Today, I'm going to talk about this index fund called iShares Russell 1000 Large Cap. The ticker symbol is BRGNX. Since this is an institutional type of a fund issue, it's in some employers' 401k plans. Again, it's the iShares Russell 1000 Large Cap Index Fund by BlackRock. The investment approach is it invests in a portfolio of assets whose performance seeks to match the performance of the Russell 1000 index. It has a 4-star Morningstar rating. The share prices are they're between $33 to $34. Before we talk about the performance, let's look at the key facts of this index fund. The benchmark index is the Russell 1000 index. It's a large blend. It gives dividends quarterly. So every 3 months it gives a dividend. It has 1007 holdings. It has to meet a certain criteria to be part of that 1007. Once the stock didn't meet the criteria, it gets kicked out from the stock, and another stock will come into the fund, and that's called self-cleansing. It has a PE ratio 25.35. Back to performance. So year to date on the total return is 10.27. 1 month is 3.21. 3 months is 10.27. 1 year is 29.78. 3 years is 34.43. 5 years is 97.99. And 10 years 226.26. Let's look at a growth of a hypothetical. So if you put $10,000 here in 2011, so that $10,000 right now will be about $50,000. That's how much it will grow. And this is a hypothetical graph. Right? Going to close this right now. And now let's talk about the fees. The fees on this website it says 0.12%. Some employees can help with the expense. I've seen 0.03% in some employers' 401k plans. So it really sometimes the employers will help to subsidize the expense a little bit. So it really depends on the employer as well. Like I said before, it has a 4-star Morningstar rating. Now let's look at the holdings. Let's click on a whole. We have Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Alphabet, Meta Platforms, which is Facebook, Alphabet again, those are like all the Google ones, Tesla, Berkshire, Eli Lilly, and then second page is like JP Morgan, United Health, Broadcom, Visa, ExxonMobil, Johnson Johnson, MasterCard, Home Depot, Procter & Gamble. Next is Costco, Merck, AbbVie, Adobe, Chevron, Salesforce, AMD, PepsiCo, Bank of America, Coca-Cola. We have Walmart, Accenture, McDonald's, Netflix, Intel, Cisco, Abbott, etc. So if you just come to the BlackRock.com's website and look into this index fund, you can take a look at all the holdings, all the over 1,000 holdings that this index fund has. Predominantly, when you look at the sector applications, it's information technology is the leading one, then it's financials, then healthcare, consumer discretionary, industrials, communication, consumer staples, energy, real estate, materials. And the website also has information on the portfolio managers, literature, also has reports and everything. You can take a look at it. Thank you for your time. This is James signing off.